Want to make extra money without special skills? You don't need experience, just motivation. Whether you're saving for a big goal, paying off debt, or simply want more financial freedom, these side hustles can help you earn real cash fast. Today, we're going over the easiest side hustles that anyone can start. List of easy side hustles. Here are some simple side hustles that require little to no experience, but can bring in extra cash fast. 1. Online surveys and user testing. Companies pay for your opinions. Sign up for platforms like user testing or Swagbucks to earn money by reviewing websites or answering surveys. 2. Selling print-on-demand products. Create designs and sell them on t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases using platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. No inventory needed. 3. Reselling and flipping items. Buy secondhand clothes, electronics, or furniture from thrift stores and resell them on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Depop. 4. Food and grocery delivery. Drive for services like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Instacart to earn money in your free time with a flexible schedule. 5. Freelance gigs. Offer simple services like writing, graphic design, or social media management on Fiverr or Upwork. 6. Pet sitting and dog walking. Love animals? Apps like Rover let you earn money by watching pets or taking dogs for walks. 7. Renting out your stuff. Got an extra room, bike, or camera? Platforms like Airbnb and Fat Llama let you rent out items you're not using. 8. Tutoring and teaching online. If you know a subject well, you can tutor students online through websites like Wisent or VIP Kid. 9. House cleaning and odd jobs. Sign up for TaskRabbit or offer local services like assembling furniture, mowing lawns, or running errands. 10. Affiliate marketing. Share product links on social media or a blog and earn commissions when people make a purchase. The key is to pick a hustle that fits your lifestyle, start small, and stay consistent. Many of these can grow into something bigger over time. Which side hustle are you excited to try? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making tips. Let's start earning together.